Good morning, everyone. And as the last time I was here, I woke up very early in the morning to take a walk and look around. Good morning. I got up pretty early this morning. Luckily, this time it's not raining. Oh my god, it started raining a lot. Although it's very cloudy and it's kind of sprinkling, you say so? The hostel turned out to be perfectly fine, luckily, and it cost me 16 euros with the breakfast included, which I'm gonna have later. Now it's almost 7 o'clock. I have to leave to the airport around 10:30. The breakfast starts at 8 at the hostel, so I'm gonna walk around, explore, and enjoy this super quiet atmosphere. No one is around at this time. This is the perfect example of what I was telling you yesterday at the airport. Standardized production that make people lazy and make them buy their products more. Come on, who likes McDonald's, especially for breakfast? Here in Lisbon you can get a pastel de nata for €1. So it's not even that cheap in comparison to local products. But people go there. I've seen already 2 men going inside McDonald's at this time of the day.
No! Don't take my video.
Oh, at least tell us your name and where you come from.
Can we dress that for us?
You are half sick anyway.
Yes, I don't want people to know that I'm half sick and I look like this when I'm half sick.
You look amazing when you're half sick.
Aww.
So what's the point?
My name is Nidhi. Hi.
From India.
From India.
And your name is?
My name is Banita and I'm from South Africa.
And she just moved to Europe.
Yes.
Right? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck. That was my company for the breakfast in the hostel. You know, the hostels are usually for youngsters like in their early 20s who party a lot. But lately I'm noticing that there are more and more people who actually stay in hostels while working. So they are kind of probably either digital nomads like me or people who work abroad from time to time. So I'm really happy about that because, for example, yesterday I arrived at midnight in the room and everyone was asleep already. So it's very convenient for me because I don't want to go to bed very late or be waking up late at night when people come back from partying and they are drunk and stuff. So I was asking for information at the bus stop and look who I found.
Another Italian. Hello there.
Another Italian. We were talking in English for a while and then he asked me where I'm from. And
we'll be travel mates for something like 10 minutes.
how it is to live and work here.
So like Lisbon in particular is a big city of contradictions because like salaries are still very low but the rent is very high. So actually you don't find Portuguese people living in Lisbon anymore. Well, in this area is more residential where we are now, but in the center is mostly Airbnbs. Yeah, this is more or less what's happening to all like European capitals, I guess.
Uber works here?
Yeah, and it's like 3 euros for going to the other side of the city.
Great thing, thank you. So guys, where are you going? You're going on a trip as well.
Yeah, the reason why we're dressed like fishermen is that we're going to the north of Portugal, the very north, the border with Galicia. And there's a national park where we wanted to go hiking, but the thing is that actually these days is orange alert for rainfalls and floods.
But this is a non-touristic place, right?
No, it's not.
Yes. What's the
After
name?
living in Portugal. Xerez. It's
Xerez.
Parque Natural Peneda Xerez.
Have a nice trip then.
Thanks.
Alright, I'm at the airport now, ready to go take my last flight directly to New York. So this little layover, very nice one in Lisbon, Portugal, has costed me 2 plus 2 euros for public transportation, which could have been actually 150 plus 150 if I had paid more attention. And then 16 euros for the hostel with the breakfast included. And also the hostel could have been cheaper because there were cheaper hostels, but for this time I wanted to be a little bit more comfortable. Then I bought some pastéis de nata, which are more or less 1 euro each, but that's extra, that's for me, I'm gonna take them to New York. So that's it, I paid 20 euros to have a nice little trip to Lisbon, Portugal, in the middle of my bigger trip to New York. And this was possible because I took a flight with a layover that is actually cheaper than direct flights. So by paying only 200 euros to go from Venice to New York, I actually managed to take a small trip to another city, another country for only 20 euros. I hope you enjoyed my little adventure, that you had fun as much as I did, and also that you find it useful. I hope it inspires you to spice things up in your trips and do it cheaper and more adventurous. I'll see you guys in New York. Bye.